to my channel. Thank you. Okay guys, now me and Abby are going to unbox it before we play. In this game, each side has two water tanks, one here and one here. We have to fill it up with water. And by the way, it also comes with pinballs. When we're going to play it, we're going to do that.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay.
So guys, now we're going to put the water inside the water tank. Okay. Now only one more. Yeah, we have to press this so it will hit. We're going to use one. Okay, ready, set, go. One, two, three. Okay, so I'm gonna remove my glasses because maybe I'll get sprayed. Okay, and 1, 2, okay, 3, go. I'm so wet. I'm serious. Ready?
Can I see your face?
I'm not getting wet, guys. I don't know why. Are you serious? Press this again. Okay, this one. Okay. Ready? Can we? We're going to add two more now. This time.
Okay, go.
1, 2, go. Straight to my eye. 1 point. Okay, like this is got 1 point.
Okay, until 5.
Okay, ready? Until 5, okay. Ready, set. That doesn't count. Okay. We're going to restart again. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, she's sorry. I'm gonna wipe my. Okay. Okay, ready, set, go.
You have 1 point, Abby.
Okay, put one. One point. Wait. Okay, wait. We have each ball, okay? Okay, ready, set.
Okay, one more.
Okay, Abby. This time, in this round, we're not going to wipe the water in our faces. Okay? Okay. We are going to. Okay, ready? Okay, I got mine. Okay, you got yours. Okay, you ready? Set. Got 1 point. Okay, ready? Set. I got 2 points? Yeah, you got 2 points. Okay, ready? Set. 2 points. Ready, set, go.
I thought you're not gonna win.
3 points! My eye! Should I not want?
Go.
3 points! 3 points!
Yeah.
Hello, I did not reload mine. Okay, go. Reload mine. Okay, ready?
Oh god.
4 points! 4 points!
Okay, one more, Abby, one more.
Okay, ready? Wait, I'm going to reload mine because I can't finish. Oh. Let them switch places to get really hot. I put too much.
Don't spill again.
Okay, good.
Oh my god.
Wait.
It's okay.
Okay guys, that's going to be all for tonight. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.